Trump is about changing the crypto world, and in less than 24 hours, WLFI token, that is World Liberty Financial, is going to be listed. If you miss out on the pre-order sales, now you need to position yourself not to miss out on the first day of listing. So if you are yet to position yourself, I'm going to be giving you the crypto exchanges that is going to be listing WLFI token in less than 24 hours. Number one crypto exchange that is going to be listed WLFI token, that is Bitget. Bitget is on the list, and you can follow the instruction right here to purchase using Bitget. The second exchange that is going to be listing WLFI token, that is Mexi. Mexi is going to be listing this guy, and right here you can follow the instruction on how to purchase WLFI token using your Mexi. Another crypto exchange that is going to be listing this guy, that is Binance. Okay, also follow the instruction on how to purchase using your Binance. Number 4 crypto exchange that is going to be listing World Liberty token in less than 24 hours, that is Bybit. So right here, follow the instruction on how to purchase WLFI token using your Bybit. And the last crypto exchange that I believe is going to be listing this guy in less than 24 hours time, that is KuCoin. Also position yourself to buy using your KuCoin. Now, how do you buy these coins? You must have USDT in your account. Make sure you prepare your USDT ready so that you will not miss out on this coin. What time is this coin expected to be listed? This coin is expected to be listed on Monday, that is September 1st, and this coin is expected to be listed at exact 13 UTC. If you are watching this video from Nigeria, position yourself to be available on all these listed exchanges I've made mention of in this video. Prepare yourself at exact 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. This coin is going to be listed, and the early birds are going to be the one to make the much profit right on this platform. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Do your due diligence on WLFI token before you jump on this coin. Profit can be made and also losses can be incurred, but try everything possible to be the early bird to purchase WLFI token, that is World Liberty token. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you not miss out on any of my future updates right in the crypto space. Bye for now.